Welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet a flat circle, and plus we will also see how to increase your circle, like even if you want to make it as big as you want, so how we are able to do that. So let's start the video. We will start with the slip knot. We will take 3 chain crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Now we will join a third and first chain crochet stitch. I'll just zoom it. Yeah, now as you can see, this is a third and the first. Here we join by a slip stitch. Okay, now we are getting a very small circle. Enough for a needle to pass through. Now we will take 1 and 2, and from the circle we have got, by joining the first and last crochet stitch, chain crochet stitch, we will be taking double crochet from that circle. See, 1, and I'm taking from that circle. Okay, sorry, I'm having a cold. Here we go again. So this is the second one. Third. We will take double crochet till we reach over here. Third. And fourth. 5. Sorry for the background sound. My baby is playing, so he's making all noises. Sorry. 6. It's a bit difficult because like this hole is quite small. See, this double crochet stitches of this number of stitches of this double crochet can vary, so it is nothing to worry about. Just take double crochet stitches till you reach your first 2 chain crochet. We're almost there. Now see, as we are almost near this, we will take one more. Okay, Can you see? Now we will join the this was chain crochet 1 2, so we will join second chain crochet and last double crochet with a slip stitch. And there we go. Here. So this is a round 1, quite small. Now for second round we will take 2 chain crochet, and we will treat this 2 chain crochet as our first double crochet stitch. Then we will take a double crochet in that same stitch where we have taken those 2 chain crochet. So it goes 1 2, so these are 2. Now we will be taking 2 double crochet in every stitch we have. We are going to do for the whole round. In each stitch we will be taking 2 double crochet till we reach over here. We are almost completing a round, and like for this stitch, last stitch, we will take 2 double crochet. If you have any issue regarding double crochet stitch and you want to watch like slow tutorial video for double crochet stitch, you can refer to my previous video. I've already placed a video for double crochet stitch, a tutorial video for double crochet stitch on my channel, so you can just refer that. Now we will join last double crochet stitch and a chain crochet, 2 chain crochet we have taken. So like this is the second chain crochet, and we are joining this with a slip stitch. For round 3 we will be taking initially 2 chain crochet. We will treat this as a double crochet. Then from next stitch it will be like 1 double crochet in one stitch, 2 double crochet in next stitch, and again 1 2 1 2. So this is 1 and here goes 2 in the same stitch. Now comes 1 in next stitch. We are only taking double crochets, right? We have to follow 1 2 1 2 1 2 for whole of the second round. So we will get a third round. We have almost completed a third round. So last stitch is remaining, sorry. I took 2 double crochet in the previous stitch, so now I'll be taking 1 double crochet in this stitch. Second chain crochet stitch and last double crochet stitch with a slip knot. So here goes first we took 3 chain crochet, joined first and the last. We got a small circle. Then after that we took 2 chain crochet. 2 chain crochet we are going to take for starting every round. So we took 2 chain crochet. Then we took double crochets from that circle. Number can vary till we reach our first 2 chain crochet stitches. And we joined them, both of them, the last double crochet and the second chain crochet stitch with the slip knot, sorry, slip stitch, not slip knot, slip stitch. Now for round 2 we took 2 double crochet in each stitch of the previous round. Of course, starting with 2 chain stitch crochet. We will treat it as our first. For round 3, we first took 2 chain crochet, and in next stitch we took 2 double crochet. Next stitch 1 double crochet. So it's going to be 1 double crochet in one stitch, next stitch 2 double crochet, then 1 double crochet in one stitch, and next stitch 2 double crochet. This is for round 3. Now we are going for round 4. Now for round 4, we will start with, as usual, our 1 2 double crochet, and we will take 1 double crochet in the next stitch and 2 double crochet in next stitch. For making a flat circle, every round which you want to increase, so like in third round we took one double crochet, next stitch 2 double crochet, then 1 double crochet, next stitch 2 double crochet. In round 4 we will be taking 1 double crochet, next stitch 1 double crochet, and then double crochet. Like I will just write down and show how to increase one round in to make a bigger flat circle for like doily or table cover or whatever project you are making. Once we are done with the foundation round and round 2, so from third round the pattern starts. So it's going to be 1 double crochet in one stitch and 2 double crochet in next stitch. 1 2 1 2. So this is round 1. Then for next round we can increase as much as rounds we want in a flat circle. So only pattern it's going to be, now we took 1 2 1 2, then we will take 1 1 and 2 1. These are DCs, these are all DCs, so it's 1 1 and 2. Okay, then for next it will be 1 1 1 and then 2 1 1 1 and then 2. Sorry, can you see now? And for next it's 1 1 1 1 and then 2 1 1 1 and then 2, and it goes on. So you can make as big a circle as you want. So this is going to be the pattern for complete flat circle. So you can make whatever project you are making, as per that you can increase your circle. This is a fourth round. As we go forward, if you like my video, please like, comment, share, and please subscribe to Sanjs Aasha channel, and don't forget to subscribe Sanjs Aasha channel. I need subscribers. Please subscribe my channel. Yeah, we are almost on the end of the fourth row. And try to take it as long as you can. Done. Now just 2 more. Yeah, and here we join here comes a flat circle. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.